Hey, you are doing this all wrong. None of your online business ideas are working anymore. Reason? Those all ideas are now old. Your strategy isn't working and old business ideas are too competitive now. Hey, but don't worry. If you've been searching for fresh and exciting ways to start an online business in 2025 without spending a dime, you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 7 amazing new side hustle ideas and online business ideas. These ideas are not only easy to start but can also turn into profitable ventures with a little effort and consistency. So, grab a drink, sit back, and let's dive right in. First idea in my list is newsletter business. Nowadays newsletters become incredibly popular. Think about it, people love curated content sent straight to their inboxes. It's like having a personal expert delivering best stuff to you every week straight to your email inbox. It's very easy to get started newsletter. You pick a niche that you're passionate about. It could be tech trends, personal finance, fitness tips, or anything else. Then set up newsletter on Beehive by using link in description. Once you set up newsletter, write a few newsletter issues to have something ready to share. Now, promote newsletter on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, or even Instagram. Once you gather audience, then send daily or weekly newsletter issue, that's it. You can check the Beehive discounted link from description and my newsletter too. Now, you're probably wondering, how to make money from newsletter? Great question. You can offer paid subscriptions for exclusive content. Let's say you're running a finance newsletter. Your free version could share budgeting tips, while the paid version includes advanced strategies for investing. Other than paid subscription, sponsorships are another big way to earn from newsletter. Brands are willing to pay to be featured in front of your audience. And other best way to make money by selling digital products like ebook, courses, membership and so on. Other than these traditional ways, Beehive make you money with sponsored ads and by recommending other newsletter. Isn't this a best side hustle idea? Try Beehive from link in description or pin comments. And do let me know your thoughts about this idea. Second business idea is selling access to communities. Have you noticed how much people love being part of exclusive groups? Whether it's for a hobby, professional networking, or support, communities are thriving right now. So, how does this work? You create a community on GoColab, Slack, or even Facebook groups. The idea is to focus on a specific topic or interest and create community around it. Now, how do you make money from communities? It's simple. You can charge a monthly fee for access, host exclusive webinars, or offer additional resources like ebooks or templates for sale within the community. Starting community is very straightforward. Start by building an audience on social media. Share free content to establish yourself as an expert in your chosen niche. Once you've got some interest, launch your community and invite people to join. It's all about delivering value and creating a space where people feel they belong. Isn't making money with communities a great business idea? Third idea is building and selling AI automation systems. Let's talk about AI automation systems. This one is a game changer, especially if you are tech savvy or love solving problems. With tools like Make.com, you can help businesses automate tasks they usually do manually. Things like sending follow-up emails, managing inventory, or even posting on social media. So, how do you make money here? You charge businesses for setting up these automation systems. Some people also offer subscription-based support, where they charge a monthly fee to monitor and update these systems. It's a win-win because businesses save time and you get recurring income. Wondering where to begin? Start by learning the basics of Make.com or other automation tools. Then, practice by automating small tasks for yourself or your friends. Once you're confident, reach out to small businesses and pitch your services. Trust me, there's a huge demand for building automation system for businesses right now. So try and explore automation with Make.com and see how it works. Fourth idea is creating AI avatars and video services. This one is super cool, creating AI avatars and videos using tools like Synthesia or HeyGen. Have you ever seen those professional looking explainer videos with digital avatars? Those are made with AI, and you can create them too. Here's how it works. These tools let you generate realistic avatars that can deliver messages, explain products, or even narrate tutorials. Businesses love this because it's cost-effective compared to hiring a production team. Now, let's get to the money part. You can sell these videos as a service to small businesses, coaches, or even content creators who need professional-looking content but don't have a big budget. To get started, sign up to Synthesia or HeyGen platform and create a few sample videos to showcase what you can do. Then, promote your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. It's all about showing potential clients how they can save time and money by working with you. Next idea in the list is building AI websites for small businesses. Small businesses need websites, but not everyone can afford a custom web developer. That's where hosting a AI website builder comes in picture. Hosting a AI website builder uses AI to help you design stunning websites without needing to know how to code. Here's how you make money building website for businesses. You can charge businesses for building their websites per page, or you can also offer maintenance packages to keep those websites updated. To get started, practice building a few demo websites to showcase your skills. Create a simple portfolio and then reach out to local businesses or network online to find clients. It's a straightforward way to tap into the growing demand for affordable web design. So go and try hosting a AI website builder from link in description. 6th idea in list is LinkedIn personal branding agency. LinkedIn is booming, and people are willing to pay good money to stand out. Imagine helping professionals optimize their profiles, create engaging posts, and connect with the right people. That's exactly what a LinkedIn personal branding agency does. You make money by offering profile optimization services, creating content packages, or even running LinkedIn campaigns for clients. To get started, first optimize your own profile as a portfolio piece, and then post relevant content to build your own brand. And then showcase your own results to get clients. To become master of LinkedIn, I highly recommend The LinkedIn OS by Justin Welsh. It will give you all the insights to become top LinkedIn creator, so go check The LinkedIn OS from link in description below. Last online business idea in the list is print on demand. Platforms like Printify allow you to create and sell custom products like t-shirts or mugs without holding any inventory. And the best part, you don't need to pay anything. Printify takes care of everything for free. You can make money two ways on Printify: by product sales from your store, or 5% of every sale your referral on Printify is affiliate. To get started, create simple designs using Canva. Sign up to Printify from link in description, then upload designs to Printify. And then start promoting your Printify store via social media. Isn't it easy to start side hustle? What are your thoughts? So out of these 7 new online business ideas, which one caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips, and watch other videos on the channel.